Get a feel for the 2017 Nissan Frontier. This vehicle still has fewer than 50,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Make comfort and convenience part of every job in this well-equipped Frontier. This midsize pickup is built to work as hard as you do, and it's available at an exceptional value. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: bed liner, electronic stability control, floor mats, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel ready to meet the challenge in this capable Frontier. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.